इन क्रिप्टो के पीछे नाम का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, हाउ यू स्टार्टेड द कंपनी एंड।
I started in 2009 as a freelancing in cyber security.
लेकिन इंडिया में देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे हजारों लाखों कंपनीज है जो सेम चीजें करती हैं।
Provide drone cyber security services like data encryption.
आपने बताया कि ये इंक्रिप्शन मतलब एकदम कुछ इसमें वो नहीं आएगा, लूप नहीं है, तो हाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व।
Actually क्या होता है कि ये this kind of encryption works on prime factor basis.
इन इंडिया देयर इज नो, मतलब अभी चार्जिंग स्टेशन इतने ज्यादा है नहीं, तो
ट्रेडिशनल कंप्यूटर के लिए ये काफी हजारों करोड़ों लाखों साल का काम होता है कि उसे एक पासवर्ड को क्रैक करना, जो
पहले ही शेड्यूल बनाते हैं, शेड्यूल करते हैं कि हाँ मॉर्निंग में ये करना है।
so many years of experience you have in this sector. हेलो दर्शकों, स्वागत है फिर से आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल में। हम नए स्टार्टअप आइडिया के साथ आ चुके हैं और हम आपको दिखा दें ये कुछ ड्रोन प्रोडक्ट्स है और इस कंपनी का नाम है एनक्रिप्टो और हमारे साथ हैं एनक्रिप्टो के सीईओ। तो हम हाय सर।
हेलो।
तो हम सबसे जानेंगे कि सर एनक्रिप्टो के पीछे नाम का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, हाउ यू स्टार्टेड द कंपनी एंड व्हाट इज द ड्रोन सिस्टम, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, हाउ यू स्टैंड आउट, और जानेंगे इनकी कंपनी की यूएसपी। तो सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं कि सर What is the significance of Encrypto, और जरा कंपनी के बारे में आप इंट्रोडक्शन दें।
So my name is Naman Bishnoi. हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट करी थी Encrypto Labs Private Limited in 2019. But me personally, I've been working for past 15 years. I started in 2009 as a freelancing in cybersecurity, and for that I've grown an interest in cryptography a lot because cryptography is the lifeblood of cybersecurity. And cybersecurity में cryptography is a very mathematical aspect of it. So काफी technical रहता है और काफी इसमें experience चाहिए होता है इसको execute करने के लिए, properly program में integrate करने के लिए. And these days on the verge that we are seeing that कि Microsoft आ रहा है अपने quantum computing chip के साथ. We are seeing a lot of traction going on with post quantum cryptography these days. And as a cryptographic company, in our name is also there कि Encrypto means Naman Bishnoi's cryptological research labs, and we have started this company in 2015 as a basis of piloting the cryptographic solutions, and we have incorporated our startup in 2019. So we have a lot of background in cryptography. Yeah, and we always want to integrate that with cybersecurity applications.
So I can see that कि cyber security you can trust. लेकिन इंडिया में देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे हजारों लाखों कंपनीज है जो सेम चीजें करती हैं, तो how you are trying to stand out, और जरा आप ये ड्रोन सिस्टम के बारे में बताएं क्योंकि आपने मुझे बताया कि ये फर्स्ट इंडिया में फर्स्ट है, तो जरा आप बताइए प्लीज।
So yeah, drone we secure drones also. We are a drone cybersecurity company. And primarily, and we provide drone cybersecurity services like data encryption. When data is transit is going on to the ground station, it is being transmitted in unencrypted form. So we provide cybersecurity services to encrypt that data, and like our threat vectors like China and Russia and Pakistan is on the verge of our borders, and they are like trying to intercept our drone communication with their technology. So we are trying to prevent that from happening, and we are doing this by providing future-proof security like post-quantum cryptographic technology inside our drones. So these drones cannot be hacked by any kind of quantum computer attacks, and the encryption will stay integrated in their own form. And we are using a very kind of sophisticated mathematics behind it, and it's all being done in software itself.
So basically सर अभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने एक चिप लॉन्च करी है जिसमें कोई भी इंक्रिप्शन को हम 15 to 20 मिनट्स में हम क्रैक कर सकते हैं, तो लाइक आपने बताया कि ये इंक्रिप्शन मतलब एकदम कुछ इसमें वो नहीं आएगा, लूप नहीं है, तो हाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व।
So traditionally as a layman terms in cyber security क्या होता है कि क्रिप्टोग्राफी में ट्रेडिशनल क्रिप्टोग्राफी मेजर्स लाइक RSA हो गया, आपका ED25519 एक सिग्नेचर एल्गोरिथम है जो काफी यूज होता है एलिप्टिक कर्व में, ECDS एक एलिप्टिक कर्व डिजिटल सिग्नेचर एल्गोरिथम्स है, एंड एनक्रिप्शन में भी यूज होते हैं, की एक्सचेंज में भी यूज होते हैं, HPKDF वगैरह। So actually क्या होता है कि ये this kind of encryption works on primary prime factor basis, and the curve optimization here is being calculated in linear time. So क्या होता है कि एक ट्रेडिशनल कंप्यूटर के लिए ये काफी हजारों करोड़ों लाखों साल का काम होता है कि उसे एक पासवर्ड को क्रैक करना, जो काफी प्राइम फैक्टर्स के बाद गुजर के एक एनक्रिप्शन में जाता है. But quantum computers can easily bypass that. Quantum computers have the technology to do that. They have algorithms like Shor's algorithm, Grover search algorithm. They can use that algorithm to bypass this up to like a factor of a lot. Na? So these can like जिस काम में 10 to power 1000 seconds लगते थे, वो काम of 10 to power 2 seconds में हो सकता है. तो like 100 seconds. 100 seconds is around like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So 2 minutes का जो काम जो लाखों करोड़ों साल जिस एक पासवर्ड को क्रैक करने में लगते थे, वो सिर्फ अब 2 minutes लगते हैं. इस काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी ब्रेक थ्रू, लाइक इट्स अ वेरी डिसरप्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड ये टेक्नोलॉजीज बड़ी बड़ी कॉर्पोरेशंस और बड़े बड़े एजेंसीज यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, एंड अपने पार्टनर्स क्लाइंट्स को भी दे रहे हैं. बट इन इंडिया वी आर नॉट बीइंग सिक्योर्ड बाय दैट. तो एज अ साइबर सिक्योरिटी कंपनी, इट्स आवर मिशन टू empower our organizations and empower our defense industry to prevent that from happening in the future. And we are like India's first cybersecurity company to provide drone cybersecurity services in post-quantum cryptographic manner. So we are the only one in the India.
Like how you got the idea of this? Like what was the motivation behind it?
Well, as a cybersecurity researcher, I've been constantly researching through this field a lot, and cybersecurity is a very disruptive field. आपको नई researches मिलती हैं, and they are like everyone is trying to integrate something new inside the field. And as the technologies like AI is progressing and the machine learning, deep tech is going on very prominently.
Yes.
These kind of technologies are being utilized by the good people and the bad people. Bad people are using machine learning algorithms, and they are using sophisticated techniques, and also the homomorphic encryption. There is one technique. These kind of techniques are being utilized to reverse engineer the cloud encryption, to reverse engineer your data from cloud, so they can reverse it back and translate what's the data is in there, and also the modify the data that's been going on at transit. So these kind of measures cannot be protected by traditional cybersecurity algorithms and traditional cryptographic algorithms, as per I say. So what we are doing is the post-quantum cryptographic measure that cannot be bypassed through this means. And the idea that I got is by, like, I was also researching this field a lot, and I was thinking that encryption can this happen, and I read this back in 2015 that there was the algorithm called Shor's algorithm during my bachelor's in research paper. I wrote a research paper also in that. So I got the idea that there is like a need for that in the future, and we should implement this technology for the organizations to prevent that from happening.
Like I can see the drone. Can you please tell me how it works? और ये कितना kg load वगैरह उठा सकता है, and how it works? Please tell me.
Well, we are also a drone manufacturing company also, because cyber security करते करते ड्रोन की हम ड्रोन को बनाना भी सीख गए हैं.
जी.
हम ड्रोन जानते हैं कि ड्रोन कैसे बनता है, ड्रोन एफिशिएंटली कैसे बन सकता है, और हम समझ चुके हैं इस चीज को.
तो आप प्लीज मुझे बताएं how it works. इसको जरा हम पास
Yes.
लेके आते हैं. Yes, how it works.
This is a like we have developed an open source model of the drone. The drone we have in production. Production is a very confidential thing, so we are displaying an open source model here.
Yeah.
So this model has telemetry systems in here. We have 2 telemetry systems, one CAN bus system, and we have the flight controller here, and we have the companion controller that is using artificial intelligence to power this drone on flight mode, and we have the camera to analyze the information and recognize the images for that. And also we have a wireless charging battery to deploy the wireless charging station, so the drone can land over the pad and can charge itself from the wireless stations.
Saying charging station, but in India there is no, मतलब अभी charging station इतने ज्यादा है नहीं, तो how you are planning to, you know,
अब हो जाएंगे as EV technology is also progressing. They have the charging booths in there.
there is a loop in EV technology too, क्योंकि EVs अभी इतना ज्यादा पूरी तरीके से आई नहीं, क्योंकि चार्जिंग स्टेशन इज अ
Yeah.
बिग डील.
Yeah.
या अभी इंडिया में इतने ज्यादा चार्जिंग पैनल्स नहीं है, तो हाउ यू आर प्लानिंग?
So EV जो चार्जिंग स्टेशन जहाँ जहाँ हैं उन पॉइंट्स पे ऊपर एक डिप्लॉयमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म लग सकता है जहाँ पे ड्रोन अपना फ्लाई करके लैंड करेगा और वहां पर चार्जिंग स्टेशन से बैटरी से अपने आप को वायरलेसली चार्ज कर लेगा. यहाँ बैटरी
भी चार्ज कर लेगा?
Yes.
ऑटोमेटिक.
Actually, battery is not allowed in the conference, so I have not contained it here. But our prototype has the battery module that can be charged by wireless through wirelessly, and it can contain charge range up to 60 minutes during the flight mode, and around 1200 meters it can fly over the air, and we can also fly higher, like above 4000 meters also. But that would consume a lot of battery, and the flight range would reduce up to 15 minutes.
सो लेकिन आपने इतनी सारी चीजें सोची हैं, तो और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं आपकी अच्छी कंपनी के साथ, तो लेकिन आप फंडिंग्स वगैरह कैसे प्लान कर रहे हैं? लाइक व्हाट आर द फंडिंग ऑप्शंस यू आर चूजिंग, और कैसे आप इसे फंड
So,
के बढ़ा रहे हैं?
we are all bootstrapped.
Oh.
हमने सारी चीजें we have start from scratch ना. मैंने अपने clientele से और अपने धीरे धीरे करके
ऑल द फंडिंग का
yeah, all being done by me.
Yeah.
And also identity and access management. We are integrating ourselves into cybersecurity products also, so we can provide the resources, appropriate resources to the prominent startups and the companies, and they can integrate those resources a lot better than the established companies themselves. So we are integrating with them also. And previously, I've worked with Apple in integrating a machine learning software into their own platform, which is an SMS filter being developed by our team that was deployed on their iOS system, and we have done a lot of these kind of activities in the behind the scenes, so we can fund our research and development program a lot better. And we are looking for fund always, because as our scale grows, we need a lot of resources and we need a lot of assets. So I'm I'm always open to good investors and the investors who can build a direct relationship with us, and who can last with us as family members.
Yeah. So, can you please also tell me the last question, ki how you're planning to scale it more? Like any, any sources or like what?
So, as per the contracts are coming through DRDO and the other organizations are being interested in our projects and our team. So, we are trying to scale this a lot and provide the drone hardware and the software to the organizations, so they can integrate themselves with the better solution. And also to the shipping companies, the logistic companies that are implementing different kind of platforms for their fulfillment centers. Suppose they are trying to there are platforms like Blinkit, and there are platforms like your Instamart and Zepto. These kind of platforms are delivering.
Come up and tie up and
Yes. These kind of platforms are being delivering stuff within minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But suppose there are traffic jams,
Yeah. vision of
Yes.
like upcoming 5 years, Encrypto, like where you can see Encrypto.
So I see Encrypto as a pioneer in cybersecurity industry, and I see themselves as a leader in the industry, and we are going strong for last 7 years, and we will be going strong because the spirit never dies.
Yeah, I see the spirit.
Yes. The spirit never dies in the cybersecurity industry.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Like this is your vision, right?
Yeah.
यार, तो हम हैं हिमांशु जी के साथ, जो है Encrypto की को-फाउंडर. तो मैम से पूछेंगे कि मैम लाइक आपको डेली मोटिवेशन क्या आती है काम करने की?
मोटिवेशन एक्चुअली में क्या है, हर चीज को टाइम से शेड्यूल से करेंगे तो हम सुबह से ही उठ के अपना चार्ज रहते हैं कि हमें आज ये टाइमली, हम कल एक दिन पहले ही शेड्यूल बनाते हैं, शेड्यूल करते हैं कि हाँ मॉर्निंग में ये करना है. तो टाइम सबसे ज्यादा प्रीशियस, मतलब हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है चीज.
और जैसे हम है सारा विश्नोई के साथ, जो है Encrypto की CHRO. तो मैम हम जानेंगे जैसे कि HR की बहुत ज्यादा की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है लोगों को हायरिंग करने के लिए. तो आप लाइक व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ हायरिंग पीपल? आप क्या क्या क्वालिटीज देखती है पहले?
Okay, so
as we are into cybersecurity, so we have prepared a JD like every company prepares. So we look for more technical people. Like we do also hire interns, all right, of these fields who are BTech background, or students who are like pursuing their courses. They can get their NOC and just yeah.
Giving them opportunity.
Yes, absolutely.
Also with that, like, you work as an HR, chief HR here.
Yes, absolutely. So all of the employee related tasks I'm managing. Okay, their everything related to human resources, like whatever comes under the criteria, like holding on to the employees and their salaries and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. Also with that, you were telling me all these, graphics and everything was done by you.
Yes, absolutely. So besides human resources, earlier by profession, I'm a graphic designer as well, and I've created all of the graphics of Encrypto, from the brochures to the cards to advertisements. So all of the campaign I've
How
designed.
many years of experience you have in this sector?
So basically, I'm working from last 8 to 9 years. Yeah.
That's very great. That's very great. Also with that, like in upcoming 5 years, आप Encrypto को कहाँ देखती हैं?
A very huge organization working internationally as well.
Yeah, thank you. That's the spirit I can see. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. फिर से मिलते हैं हम एक न्यू इंटरव्यू के साथ. धन्यवाद दर्शकों.